Brains. I've been thinking about all the things I still have to get done for the holidays. I've got to get presents for everyone.
Finish this episode. Build a full-scale replica of Santa's workshop in my front yard, which is far too small, necessitating Time-Lord technology. I've got to repaint the ceiling of my kitchen. That Thanksgiving gravy disaster left a stain. I've got to throw a Christmas party for my friends. I need to find my Christmas sweater. Probably need to find a new Christmas sweater.
And I need to finish this blanket. I have a week to do all of this, and I thought maybe some of you might be in a similar boat. But don't worry, I know who to call.
Gringle speaking. Jessica, how are you?
I've got to get presents for everyone. I need to finish this episode, build a full-scale replica of Santa's workshop in my front yard, which is far too small, necessitating Time-Lord technology. And I have to repaint the ceilings in my kitchen. That Thanksgiving gravy disaster left a stain. I need to throw a Christmas party for my friends. Wait, where are you? Do I hear seagulls? Are there seagulls in the North Pole?
Do you remember last year when I told you that Mrs. Claus and I take a twice-a-year vacation to the... Well, we're there now. We have a college student house-sitting and feeding the reindeer.
Wait, you're not at house sitting? Also college student?
Yeah, she's studying abroad. Migration patterns of polar bears. More to the point, sounds like you're doing far too much.
Oh, no.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
But I'm not.
You are.
Am I?
Yeah, oh yes.
But it's all important.
Really? The gravy stain repainting it?
Yes, it's a bad stain. And I called you because I figured you, of all people, would be even busier than me. You know how to make everyone, literally everyone in the world happy. And I figured you would have some tips on how I could make everyone...
Whoa! Slow down there, Jessica. You'll never make everyone happy. And if you try too hard, it's unhealthy, and you won't get to actually enjoy the happiness you bring to others because you'll be thinking too hard about all the things you didn't get done.
But all the other people in my life get everything done.
They don't.
Yeah, they do.
No.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes. Really?
Yes.
How do you know that?
I'm Santa.
Oh, he knows if you've been bad or good.
And all the other song lyrics, yes. On that note, you really should be getting more sleep, Jessica.
I have restless legs.
And a Netflix subscription.
So, how do I stop being overwhelmed with all the things I have to do?
You pick your priorities and focus on the most important ones first. Santa makes a list, because that's what I do, of all the tasks I want to complete: sweeping the reindeer stalls, polishing my boots, visiting coal country, that sort of thing.
I made a list.
Then I make another list, because doing things twice is also something I do, and then I divide the second list into 3 categories: must do, could do, and it'd be nice if that gets done. Then I take all the things from the first list and put it on the second list, deciding how important each item is. No.
Okay, so how do you decide how important each one is?
I ask myself, what's the worst that could realistically happen if that doesn't get done? If the worst that could realistically happen is that I have to tell a hilarious story about a gravy stain on the ceiling to my new friends, then it's definitely not a must-do. If, on the other hand, it drastically affects me or the people I care about, for example, forgetting to book a flight home from my vacation in time to deliver presents, then it's more important. If that's too much or too intimidating, then pick 3 to 5 things as must-do items. Choose the 3 to 5 things that, as long as you do those during the holidays, you'd consider the holidays a success. Anything you happen to get done beyond those is a bonus, and it's not essential that you do the other things, especially if it means that you don't get to enjoy the holidays. If you're giving so much of yourself that you can't enjoy the happiness you create, you're giving too much.
I guess that's true. I just feel like I would get so much more done if I didn't have ADHD.
The truth is that ADHD and things like depression, anxiety, and any number of other challenges are, well, a challenge. That's part of the reason to prioritize a few things. If people focus on doing fewer things during the holidays, the things that are really important to them, they will have more time to actually enjoy the holidays with the people they care about. Also, stop with comparing yourself to other people. You don't actually see the things others don't do. It's okay to get help when things are especially challenging. Why do you think I asked Rudolph to help guide the sleigh? It gets foggy, especially over the Bay Area, and that kid's nose lights up like the bat signal. If you're struggling, Santa's friends at Take This have a list of mental health resources and articles that might help with holiday challenges.
Ooh, they're great.
Well, I'd love to continue chatting, but our couple's surfing lesson is about to start and Santa needs to stretch.
I guess some of this stuff was stuff I felt like I should do. I'll focus on what's important to me.
Excellent. Bye, Jessica, and please wish all the brains and hearts happy holidays. Tell them subscribing to your channel gets them points on the nice list.
Thanks. Bye, Santa.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so even Santa doesn't get everything done. So if you're overwhelmed like me, pick a few things that as long as you get those done, you'll consider the holidays a success. And then enjoy them. That's it for this year. Thank you to everyone who watches this channel for making it a great one. If you haven't already, check out our holiday shop for last-minute gift ideas. Thank you to my brain board and all my Patreon brains for helping me keep this channel going, no matter what the holidays throw at me. Like, subscribe, click all the things, and I will see you next year. Bye, brains!